On lesson 7 of chapter 6, we're going to create a text on a path, and this is very, very important. This is a skill that you use all the time. And if you look on page 629, there's a figure 26 that shows you that we're going to put center stage, the type center stage, inside of the golden area of the guitar, of the large guitar. So on the center of this orange circle on the guitar face, we're going to be putting curved text. Okay? And basically, what you need to do first, the process of creating text on a path is first you have to create a path. And then you use the type on a path tool to add the text, the type, to the path. So let's go ahead and let's do that right now. We're going to click on, we're going to choose our ellipse tool, not rectangle. So I'm going to go here to my ellipse tool. Okay, it's under, I don't know, it depends on how you have a double column toolbar or not, but it is under the rectangle tool. The rectangle tool is the top one. So on the ellipse tool, I'm going to use my, I think they gave me guides here. Let's see here. On the ellipse tool, wait a minute. Options. Oh, yeah, okay. The way they did it, it's kind of tricky too. It's kind of better, I think, is they just click on the tool and they use the options bar to change to ellipse. Okay? Same thing, but it takes you to the options bar, which is kind of nice. On the path, we're going to click on the paths button because we don't want to draw a shape layer. We want to draw a path on the layer here, and because they didn't tell me to move layers, I'm assuming this path is going to be on the live concerts layer, which doesn't matter because the only contents of the live concert layer are over here on the bottom of the image. We're gonna go to I'm gonna pull out my info panel here, and they wanted me to be at 100x, so it's about here, and 250y, which now I know why I put a single column toolbar here, because it hides my tools will get hidden, my ruler gets hidden. Okay, so 100 and 250, somewhere over here. Let's see, 256, 250, 100. That's close enough. And then we're going to hold down Shift to create a perfect circle. And apparently I want to be within the guide here. I don't know, I think I might, yeah, I think this is about good. Alright, so I have this shape here, this path. And I started over here at a 100, and I clicked and dragged until the circle intersected with the guide. Okay? It's roughly kind of off, a little off center. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna go to the type tool, and I believe, yeah, there's no option here on this guy here. Interesting. So we're gonna be choosing. Oh, actually, there's no type on a. I was thinking Photoshop. I'm sorry. InDesign. So, anyways, on the type tool, when you approach a path, horizontal type, it becomes type on a path. Okay, so when you mouse over the path, it becomes type on a path. But before we do that, I'm gonna change the properties to the font, the type, font to Arial, the style to bold, the font size to 7. It's now one of the options, so I'll just highlight, plug in my number 7 here. My aliasing is smooth. Oh, actually, on Windows they want to go to 8. Sorry. If you have a Mac, go to 7. And then we're going to verify the left align text button is selected, which it is, the alignment of the text. Yeah. Now, the font color, I'm going to change this to default, okay? I'm going to go to the bottom of my toolbox and click on default colors here to switch the font color to black, okay? Because otherwise, mine was still a gold color that I used on the bottom here. They don't tell you to change this, but that's what the font color is. So, let's do that. And now, with the settings, Arial bold, 12 point, smooth, left align, and black ink fill, I'm going to go to the position 90x. 90x is about here. And 270y. And I can even get to the left edge of the eclipse. I don't know. 270. Yeah, about here. Okay? Click. And now I'm going to type in. Oh. They want us to change the color now, actually, to the blue. So I'll click on the fill color here and sample the blue at the top of the large guitar. So let me see here. Yep. So at the head of the guitar here, I'm going to sample this blue here. Click OK. And I'll type in center. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I went back to 12. It's supposed to be 8. Alright, here goes. Center, space, stage. Way too big. Way too big. I'm going to Control A to select the whole thing. And I'm going to drop this down to 6. Something that fits. Interesting. I don't know why mine didn't fit, but... Okay, so Arial bold 6 point. And I probably go to 7. I'm going to go to 7. Nope, 7's too big. 6 fits. And then commit any edits. And that's it. We conclude now lesson 7.